Okay, good morning, my dear students. See, yesterday we have completed the exercise 1.3 third main. So today let us continue the question number 4. That is how many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give the sum 636. Okay, let us write down the given terms, what they have given. Given A equals to 9, B equals to A2 minus A1, that is 17 minus 9, which is equals to 8. Then SNth is given, that is 636. SNth equals to 636. Here we have to find the number of terms of the given AP. So let us use, we know SNth equals to n by 2 in the big bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here SNth is given, that is 636. That is equals to n by 2 in the big bracket 2 into a is 9, 2 into 9 plus n minus 1, that we have to find, n minus 1, that is common difference is 8. So d equals to 8. Then 636 equals to n by 2 in the big bracket 9 2s are 18 plus 8n minus 8. So 636 equals to n by 2 in the bracket 18 minus 8, 10 plus 8n. So cross multiply, 632 into 2 equals to n in the bracket 10 plus 8n. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12, 1264, that is 636. Then 636 into 2, that is 2 6s are 12, carry 1, 2 3s 6 plus 1 7, so 2 6s are 12, 72 equals to, that is 10 into n, 10n, 10 into n, 10n, then plus 8n into n, 8n square. Okay, now let us write this expression in proper order. So 8n square plus 10n minus 1272 equals to 0. 8n square plus 10n plus 1272 equals to 0. Okay, let us take common as 2. 2 in the bracket 4n square plus 5n minus 636 equals to 0. Okay, then 2 is the coefficient of this expression. If it is transferred, that becomes 0 by 2. So the given expression will be 4n square plus 5n minus 636 equals to 0. 636 equals to 0. Then we have to take common of that 4n square plus factorization of 4n square plus 5n minus 636 equals to 0. 636 equals to 0. Okay, 4n square plus 5n, 636. Here n square has coefficient, we have to multiply this term, that is 636 into 4. So factors of this term 53 and 48. So plus, then this one is minus. So 4n square minus 48n plus 53n minus 636 equal to 0. Okay, let us set the common term. 4n is the common, n minus 13, n minus 12, then plus 53 in the bracket n minus 12, that is equal to 0. n minus 12, then non-common terms 4n plus 53 equals to 0. Therefore, n minus 12 equals to 0 or 4n plus 53 equals to 0. n equals to 12 or 4n equals to minus 53. n equals to minus 53 divided by 4. So, when n is in fraction or in negative form, we never consider as the value of n. So, n is the whole, n equals to 2. The required number of terms are n equals to 12. See the problem once again. See, we have continued from this. We have written here given data, given, then solving the problem by this method. Then after simplification we get n equals to 2. See, this one is the simplification work. Then the factorization of that term has taken plus 53 minus 48. So we got the n equals to 12. Okay, see, in this problem, the first term of AP is 5. First term, that is A. The first term of AP is 5. The last term is 45. Last term, that is ANth. Or you can write L equals to 45. Anth equals to L, that is the last term. Anth is the last term. Then, and sum is 400. Sn. Sum is 400. Find the number of terms. N question mark. Then, and common difference. D question mark. Say, read the question once again. The first term of AP is 5. That is A equals to 5. Then, last term is 45, that is Anth, last term or L, that is equals to 45. And sum is for sum Snth 400. N equals to question mark, D equals to question mark. So we have to find N. For finding the N, you have to use that Snth equals to n by 2 in the bracket A plus L. N by 2 in the bracket A plus L. Why we use this formula? Because the last term is given. Very easy to calculate the n. So Snth 400 n by 2 in the big bracket A 5 plus last term 45. So 400 equals to n by 2 into 45 plus 5, 50. So 2 ones are 2 25s are 400 equals to 25 into n, 25n. Therefore, n equals to 400 divided by 25. 25 1 ga, 25 1 ga, 25 6 ga. So, n equals to 16. How many terms are there? The number of terms are 16. 16. Now let us find the d. So by using an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an they have given, that is 45. A 5 plus n is given, n we got already 16 minus 1 into d. 45 equals to 5 plus 16 minus 1, 15d. Then 45 minus 5 equals to 15d. So 45 minus 5, 40 equals to 15d. D equals to 40 divided by 15. 5 3s are 5 8s are. So D equals to 8 by 3. D equals to 8 by 3. See, there are two parts of in first part we calculated the n. Then after getting n, we calculated the d. Usual steps in solving such problems. See once again. Okay. Question number 6, 1.3. The first and last term of AP are 17 and 350. See, you go on writing what they have given. See, given the first term, that is A, equals to 17. The first term and last term L, that is AN, equals to 350. If the common difference is 9, D they have given, D equals to 9. How many terms? N equals to question mark are there, and what is their sum? What is their sum? Sn equals to question mark. What is their sum? Equals to question mark. See, as usual, let us find first n. So by using a plus n minus 1 into d. A and last term 350 given. A 17 plus n minus 1 into d. D is given, that is 9. 350 equals to 17 plus 9 into n, 9n minus 9. Okay, 350 equals to 17 minus 9, 8 plus 9n. 350 minus 8 equals to 9n. 342 equals to 9n. Therefore, n equals to 342 divided by 9. Then you have to find the n. 9 ones are 9 threes are 27. 27. Then 9 threes are, then 9 eights are. So n equals to 38. N equal to 38. See, I think this is not written properly. Three 42 divided by 9 equals to n. 9 ones are, 9 threes are, 9 eights are. So n equals to 38. We got the number of terms equals to 38. Then we have to find that Snth. So now Snth equals to n by 2 in the bracket a plus l. Why we have used this formula? Because last term is given. So n 38 a, that is 17, plus l 350. So 2 ones are, 2 19s are. That is equals to 19 into 350, that is 367. So S 38 equals to 19 into 367. Multiply the terms. Into 367. Okay, this one is the sixth question. The first and last term of an APR 17 and 350. The common difference is 9. So simple methods we have used. That is, first we have calculated the n, then we have calculated the Sn. The Sn they have asked how many terms are there and what is their sum. The sum of 38 terms he has asked that. So yes, 38 equals to 6973. See the problem once again. Okay, now fourth one, today's fourth question, that is question number 7. Find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which d equals to 7 and 22nd term is 149. See, let us write what they have given. Find the sum of first 22, that is S22 equals to question mark sum of an AP in which d equals to 7. D they have given 7 and 22nd term is 149, that is A22 equals to 149. Therefore n equals to 22. They given n indirectly, that is 22nd term, that means n equals to 22. Now we know An equals to A plus n minus 1 into d. An A22 equals to A, we do not know, plus n minus 1, 22 minus 1 into d, that is 7. A22 is how much? A22 is 149. a plus 22 minus 1, 21 into 7. So 149 equals to a plus 7 on the 7, 7 2s are 14, 147. 149 minus 147 equals to a. Therefore a equals to 2. 149 minus 147 is 2. Next we have to find SNth. SNth equals to n by 2 in the big bracket, a plus in the small bracket, a plus l. Yes, 22. n by 2, 22 by 2, a, that is 2. 2 plus l, that is last term, a 22, that is last term is 149. Therefore s 22 equals to 2 1s are 2 11s are 11 into 142 plus 149 plus to 151. So yes, 22 equals to 11 on the 1 carry 1, 11 5s are 55 1, 56 carry 5, 11 on the 11 plus 5, 16. Yes, 22 equals to 1661. See the method. Find the sum of first 22 terms. Yes, 22 we calculated. Before that, what they have given? D equals to 7 and 22nd term, that is a 22 is 49. Indirectly the nth term they have given n equals to 22. So we have used n formula calculating the first term. To calculate the first term, after substituting the values, we got 22 minus 1, 21 into 7. So that is a equals to 2. So don't confuse here, because 22 minus 1 equals to 22 minus 1 is 21. Multiplication term is 7. So 21 into 7. So 21 147. Then that has been transferred. So a equals to 2. After getting the first term, we have substituted the values, that in the SN equals to n by 2 a plus l. S 22 equals to 22 by 2, 22 1 the 22 11 the. See, 2 plus 149, 11 into 149 plus 2, 151. So S 22 equals to 1661. Okay, see once again the method. Today I will give the homework, then as usual you have to solve in home. See, these are the homework what I have given today. See, refer the previous questions and solve. All problems are having the shades of those previous problems. So read carefully and solve the problems. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.